Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, Srimad Bhagavatam is the original explanation of Vedanta Sutra. So in the Vedanta Sutra, explanation of Vedanta Sutra, Srimad Bhagavatam, it is said, Janmadasya jata annayat itaratascha artheshu avijñā tene brahmarida adikavaye muyanti jatta suraya. These descriptions are there. So, Adikavi means Brahma. Brahma, Adikavi. So, Tere Brahma means Sabda Brahma, Vedic literature. So, he instructed or imparted in the heart of Brahma, because when the creation was there, Brahma was the only person, living entity in the beginning. So, the question may be, how Brahma learned Vedic knowledge. That is explained. Tene Brahma means Vedic literature, Sabda Brahma. The information, the description of God is also Brahma. Brahma is absolute. There is no difference between Brahma and the literature which is describing Brahma. The same thing. Just like Bhagavad Gita and Krishna, there is no difference. Bhagavad Gita is also Krishna. Otherwise, why this book is worshipped for so long time, since 5,000 years, unless the Bhagavad Gita is Krishna? There are so many literatures, books are published nowadays. After 1 year, 2 years, 3 years finished, nobody cares for it. Nobody cares for it. Nobody reads for it. Any literature you take in the history of the world, no literature can exist for 5,000 years, repeatedly being read by many, many scholars, religionists and philosophers all. Why? Because it is Krishna. Krishna, there is no difference between Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavan. Sabda Brahma. So, Bhagavad Gita should not be taken as ordinary literature, that one can comment on it by so-called ABCD knowledge. No, that's not possible. The fools and rascals, they try to comment on the Bhagavad Gita by their ABCD scholarship. That is not possible. It is Sabda Brahma. It will be revealed to the person who has devotion to Krishna. Jasya deve para bhakti jatha deve. These are the Vedic instructions. Jasya deve para bhakti jatha deve tatha guru tasyaite katitaya ta prakashante mahatma. They becomes revealed. Therefore Vedic literatures are called revealed. It is not that I can understand by your ABCD knowledge. I can purchase one Bhagavad Gita and because I have grammatical knowledge, I can understand. No. Vedeshu durlav. In the Brahma Samhita it is said, Vedeshu durlav. You go on studying all Vedic literature by your literary capacity or scholarship. Durlav. It is not possible. Vedeshu durlav. Therefore, there are so many persons that are trying to interpret Bhagavad Gita by their so-called scholarship, but nobody cares for them. They cannot turn even one person a devotee of Krishna. This is a challenge. In your Bombay, there are so many persons there explaining Bhagavad Gita for so many years, but they could not turn even a single person a pure devotee of Krishna. This is our challenge. But this Bhagavad Gita now, it is being explained as it is, and thousands of Europeans, Americans, whose forefathers, whose family never knew the name of Krishna, they are becoming devotees. This is the secret of success. But these foolish people, they do not know. They think by interpreting Bhagavad Gita, by their so-called rascal of knowledge, they can reveal Bhagavad Gita. That is not possible. Naham prakasa yogamaya samavritaha. Krishna is not exposed to these foolish and rascals. Krishna is never exposed. Naham prakasa sarvas. He is not so cheap thing that he will be understood by these fools and rascals. It is not possible. Krishna says, Naham prakasa sarvasu yogamayasa manusyanam sahasreshu kaschid jatati siddhaya jatatam api siddhyanam kaschid veti mam tattva. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.